Stop everything. If you love pistachios, these cookies are about to become your new obsession. Golden, buttery, and packed with a secret homemade pistachio paste. We start with our dry base and eggs, but the real star is 2 teaspoons of rich homemade pistachio paste. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video showing how to make this paste at home. Add orange zest for bright citrus notes, pour in warm melted butter, mix until smooth, and drop in a dash of vanilla. Now, for that irresistible texture, chop half of your pistachios, leaving the rest whole for later. Fold the crushed nuts and creamy white chocolate chips directly into the dough. For the best shape and flavor, chill this mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes. Here is the secret to that bakery-style crinkle top. Roll each dough ball in white sugar first, then give it a heavy coat of icing sugar. Line them up on a baking tray, top each with a whole pistachio, and they are ready for the oven. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius, that is 340 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are golden. Look at that gorgeous crinkle, crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, and intensely pistachio. Absolutely irresistible. I've listed the full ingredients list in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more seriously yummy recipes. See you next time.